Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find digital well-being and parental controls. And here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, in my case 28 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So to check some further details, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings or phone, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.